So in this video, we're actually now going to provision the next part of the system. So we're going to set up the dashboard interfaces and all of the plugins associated with using the Grafana plugin module. So we'll need to log into our cClear system, and we do that as normal. Once we get access there, we need to go to our dashboards section, which will open up a new window and connect to the Grafana module that is built into cClear. The next thing we want to do is we actually want to activate the modules. So by default, the cPacket uses a plugin which is downloadable from the Grafana website. But actually, all of the latest versions of cClear include the Grafana module by default. So we go to our menu and we select the administration, and we go to our plugins selection here. And in here, we have a whole range of Grafana plugins that can be installed on the system. And specifically, the one we're interested in is the cPacket utility bundle. And you can see it's already installed and it's signed and verified as a standard product. And because it's already installed, we can now go into that and we can check what its current installation version is. So when we open that, we can see that it is currently on 4.3.1, which is the latest version as of this time. And we can check that by going to the Grafana plugin site. And the other thing we can do is we need to switch that on. So as soon as we switch that on by clicking the enable, that will now activate the dashboard capabilities that are installed. So again, if we come back to the home now, we'll see that we have any dashboards, and these are the standard dashboards that have been included and provisioned. So from here now, we actually have activated the main Grafana plugin using the cPacket bundle as part of this system.